If you've been hurt on the job in Miami, I want you to hear this before you talk to anyone from the insurance company. Workers' compensation in Florida is supposed to cover your medical bills, your lost wages, and your recovery. But here's the reality I see every single day. Valid claims get delayed, benefits get cut off early, and injured workers get pushed back to work before they're ready. As a work injury and workers' compensation lawyer serving Miami, my job is to make sure that doesn't happen to you. Whether you were hurt on a construction site in Brickell, in a warehouse near the airport, in a hotel on Miami Beach, or in an office downtown, you have rights the moment you're injured. You have the right to report your injury, the right to medical treatment, and the right to compensation while you heal. And if your claim was denied, that is not the end of the road. Denials get overturned all the time when you have someone fighting for you who knows the system. You don't pay me anything unless we win benefits for you. That's a promise. So don't let an insurance adjuster decide what your injury is worth. Call my office today for a free consultation, because your recovery shouldn't come with a price tag you can't afford.